Hello guys, and welcome to a new episode. We have an unboxing of a Fujimi kit, and this is the Subaru Legacy Touring Wagon version B, and that is with the BBS wheels and a nice body kit on this car. It should look amazing once finished. Let's have a look inside and see what we have here. Put this on the side. We're going to start with the actual body of the car. It's quite nice, to be honest. No issues here. The only one that I can see is, not having an engine, but the rest of it is quite nice. You do have the option underneath to cut this off and make a sunroof as well, which comes with the clear parts, so that's very good. Let's have a look at the actual bonnet. So there we have the bonnet. This is a rear wing and the mirrors, and then we have the rear and front bumpers. I think it's another rear wing for this. Front grille and side skirts. Let's see the clear parts. We have the front window with the front headlights, and the rear headlight with the nice engraving over there. I don't know if you can see it. It says Legacy. It should look quite nice. And then for the side windows, they're slightly tinted, sort of like a bluish purplish shade. Looks really nice actually. And then you have the sunroof if you choose to cut that one out and make it with a sunroof. Let's have a look at the wheels. It says they are BBS wheels, but to be honest, they could look a little bit better. The rubber is quite thick, the actual wheels are quite thick, so yeah, I might actually change those, get something aftermarket. Let's have a look at the interior. We have the interior with the back seats, front seats, and the partial shelf. Then we have the steering wheel and the dashboard, which is not that great, I have to admit, not that great. Then we have the brake discs, suspension, and other parts. And for the last screw, we have the undercarriage of the car and some other bits and pieces. It's really nice that it actually comes with a personalized Japanese number plate, so you can put whatever numbers you want. So that's quite actually nice. And yeah, you have the manual, which is quite straightforward, quite simple, 2 pages, so it shouldn't be too difficult to make. But I reckon this will look quite nice in my collection. So yeah, looking forward to build this one. Until next time, take care, and yeah, keep building.